welcome to the channel. We are on another adventure. We're doing Canoe Trail 4 in the Northern Highlands American Legion State Forest. We're starting off where we ended last year, here on Highway 51. I'm sure you can hear and see the traffic in the background. We got about a 20-mile trip. It's going to be, we're going to do two nights and 3 days. Looks like we're starting off with a little bit of fast-moving water here. This is the bridge for the bike trail. And once you get around this, cut over my way. Watch that big rock right there. I kind of remember, right? This is how we started off section 3. There's a bunch of fast-moving water right at the beginning. Were you able to make it down the middle of the wave train? Yeah. I was trying to. It kept trying to spit me right. If I didn't mention already, this is about a 22-mile trip. And the nice thing about these canoe trails are there are first come, first served Wisconsin DNR campsites. And you'll get to see those. We'll be staying at 2 different sites on this trip. So we made it into Benson Lake.
Okay.
I haven't mentioned it yet. I got Luca with me today.
Hello all. We have a gorgeous day at the end of September.
Yeah, I can't believe it's the last week of September. It's going to be close to 80 today. I think our nights are only supposed to get down to around 50 degrees.
I haven't seen a cloud since I left Chicago yesterday.
Yeah. Just clear skies. And normally we should be a lot closer to peak on our fall colors here, but we're behind this year. Well, we're over 2 miles in. Wow, the sun is hot. It's nice to get into those little shady sections. this is what the campsites landings look like along the river here. They've got these nice little signs. And this is Site 51. And tonight the plan is to camp at Site 53. So this puts us at 2.85 miles down the river from where we put in. And today we're going to 6.53 miles. So it looks like campsite 52, which is the second one on this section of the river. It's a nice red pine stand, and it's got some distance up above the river. Although the landing doesn't look like the greatest. Should be able to see that right now. And the campsite's up to the right. And it should be just a short distance down the river here. And there should be another put-in takeout that's at the wayside along US 51. So that was quite the surprise. I came around that corner and those two sandhills were, I don't know, 10 feet right in front of me. Here we are, campsite 53.
Job well done. Here's the finished product. Black rice and beans with sausages, and if you've watched my channel before, you know this is one of our staples, so it's time to enjoy dinner. Okay, we're off the site and on the river. It's just before 10. Mr. Luca's out ahead. And I'm going to apologize now, I didn't get a really good tour of that site. I'll give you a tour of the next site so you can see how they're set up. That was site 53. They have a latrine, they have a fire pit, they have a picnic table. It's really deep in here. I'd say it's over 6 feet deep right back there. According to this sign, it looks like we're at the end of our trip. This is the old railroad bridge, and it's now used for ATVs and snowmobiles. And then behind it, as you'll see here in a moment, is the Highway 47 bridge. Basically, we're in the town of Manitowish, and 51 and 47 split here. And this is the Highway 47 bridge. Dinner.
From this point on, we should start pulling away from the roads, so all that road traffic should disappear. So up ahead there in front of Luca is campsite 54. Looks like it's got a really nice view of the river. And I think if we had stayed here, the road traffic would have been just a little bit less.
Lack of clouds is almost getting scary. coming up on campsite 55. We're gonna, like I said, we're gonna take a quick break here, grab some lunch. And I'll give you a little bit of a tour. Oh, this is odd. Usually they have a metal fire ring. This one has a rock fire ring. Looks like the toilet's back there. Kind of a small site. So, lunch was over, back on the water. Come on back for part 2. If you like this video, please consider going down below and hitting that thumbs up button. And if you want to see more of my content, please consider giving us a subscribe. Thanks again, and we'll see you later.